Now we are going to say the continuation of the last class about the social lesson we have learnt, no, about the good citizen. I mean the good citizen lesson. So who is a citizen? A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes his duties. So citizen na ஒரு குடிமகன். இந்த நாட்டில் இருக்க ஒவ்வொரு people, over each man and human, all human beings, men and women, human being is a person who is a member of a particular country. ஒவ்வொரு country is a particular person and enjoys the various rights and executes his duties. He is having all his rights to live. He can do his work, he can do any work, any business, anything he can do is rights and he executes its duties. அவனுடைய கடமைகளை he can do it in the society. He is a citizen. A sovereign state provides, so each and every state provides a right to live. Any person can right to live, right to education, you can learn anything, you can stay where, right to live and right to vote. You have got a right to vote for the election and your right to work and reside anywhere in the country. நீங்கள் எங்கே வேணால் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம், எங்கே வேணால் ஸ்டே பண்ணலாம், reside anywhere in a country for its citizen. So அந்த citizen-உடைய rights என்னன்னா, ஒரு state என்ன, what all the state provides, he has a right to live. So each citizen has right to live and then right to education. He can do any education, right to education, right to work. He can do any work, right to work, right to vote, and right to reside in any place. Right to reside na enga vena he can stay. Right to reside, residential, reside anywhere in the country. So any place la, anywhere in the country, endha urla vena avan vandu he can stay, he can do any work, he can do educate, he can live anything. Okay, these are the rights for its duties. What are the constitutional values? Constitutional values is safeguard the public properties. Number so many public properties are there. What are the public properties? That is schools, parks, then buses, everything. What all the public we are using is a public property. We have to safeguard everything and maintain unity and integrity of a nation. So over a nation, with terrorism or nothing should be there. We should be unity, maintain the unity. Each and everyone must be live together and integrity of the nation and the nation oda ஒற்றுமை அதை பாதுகாக்கணும். And develop a scientific attitude. Scientific attitude na scientifically what we have to do, what we have any scientific instrumental institutions, anything like that. Development scientific attitude. ஆராய்ச்சி research, anything research attitude must be there. And protect the natural resources. Natural resources, இயற்கையை protect பண்ணணும். Then care for the environment. We should not misuse the environment. நம்ம சுற்றி இருக்கிறது தான் environment. அந்த environment we should not pollute or misuse. And honor the national symbols. What are the national symbols? Our national flag, national animal, national flower, everything is there. So we should not disobey, dishonor anything. We have to honor the national symbols and respect martyrs and the sacrifices. Martyrs na those who sacrificed their life during the Independent Republic Day, that fighting with the British people during the World War. So that is the martyrs, means Tyagigal, uyir tyagam seida Tyagigal, and their sacrifices. We have to respect those people and preserve our cultural values and heritage. Cultural values is nammalude kalachara. Each and everyone, every religion has one way of cultural values and heritage, that parambaryam. And the parambarya, what all they followed, that one is heritage. And develop the patriotism, naatupatru, that is we have to be patriotism, develop our patriotism. And the next one is, let us know, do not violate the rules. Violate means we should not மீறக்கூடாது the rules, we should not disobey the rules. And do not spit and dump garbage anywhere. On the way while you are going outside, we should not spit anywhere or dumping the garbage. And do not pollute land and water. And do not burn the old objects in the streets. And do not break the white pumpkin, that is as we say in Pusnika, on the roads. Okay. And good conduct and moral science are nothing but civic values. So So good values, what do you mean by the civic values? Good conduct, நல்ல conductum, நல்ல பண்புகளும் and moral science or nothing are the civics values. And here they are given the pictures, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our national flag, Mother Teresa, bus and tree. So for peace, we can say Mother Teresa. Environment, tree. Public property, bus. National symbol, flag. Scientific attitude, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So விஞ்ஞானி மாதிரி நம்ம வரணும்னா we have to improve our scientific attitude and we have to do the researches and everything in the science. Okay. Then citizenship is the right to live in a best way as a civilian. So citizenship means you have to right to live. You can live anywhere but in the best way. You have to use the best way as a civilian, and this includes a person's participation in government activities also. Even in the government activities also the person can participate in this. The factors that enrich the good values. What are the factors that enrich the good values? Literacy. Literacy means படிப்பு படிச்சவங்களா இருக்கணும். Literacy is a main thing. Factors that enrich good values. Literacy, factors of good value. Factors that enrich. So good values, how can you maintain our good values? What are the factors? Factors that enrich the good values are literacy, then awareness and interest. Awareness, விழிப்புணர்வு, awareness and interest. So now the corona is there. Corona is a COVID-19. So everybody is telling us we have to put a mask. Some people are not wearing the mask. So without wearing the mask, they think, oh, nothing will happen to us. Nothing will come for the corona. So we should not do like that. We should be awareness, careful. Awareness na ஒரு விழிப்புணர்வு இருக்கணும். Okay, then interest, awareness and the interest, and then try hard till success. So you have to try, work hard till the success comes. So you should not left out if the success comes, if you have to try hard. Then the fourth one is evaluate oneself. Evaluate oneself. உங்களை நீங்களே evaluate பண்ணிக்கணும், மதிப்பீட்டு பண்ணிக்கணும். Then acceptance. You have to accept what all is right or wrong. If anybody is telling, you have to accept. And then self-confidence. தன்னம்பிக்கை, self-confidence அது இருக்கணும். So factors that enrich the good values: literacy, படிப்பு, awareness and interest, விழிப்புணர்வு, try hard till success. You have to try hard till the success comes, and evaluate oneself. உங்களை நீங்களே தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Then acceptance, whatever is right or wrong, you have to accept it. And self-confidence, தன்னம்பிக்கை. Okay, so each student should be taught to be hygienic. You have to be hygienic means you have to be clean. It is the most significant part of the good values. So now even for this COVID-19 also, what they are telling, you have to wash your hands properly with the soap water, and you have to clean your clothes. When you are going outside, you have to clean everything. That is the good value, hygienic. So there won't be the COVID-19, you will not be get affected by the COVID. And one must follow the routine below. What are the routine values that each student should be followed? Is wake up early in the morning. Each routine follow up. Each student must follow routine work. What is that? Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early morning. And then brush your teeth. This you all know. Brush your teeth, have a bath, like that. Brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear slippers or shoes. Whenever you are going outside, you have to wear your slippers or shoes, and trim your hair and cut the nails, and wash your hands before and after meals. So these are the good values. You have to evaluate yourself for each and every student. Each and everyone must follow that. Wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear slippers or shoes, trim hair and cut the nails, and wash your hands before and after meals. Okay. Then good values are developed by practicing them. So all the good values are making habit now. You have to develop what all the good values when you are seeing by others. You have to practicing them. And honesty, that is the best policy. And good values are classified into 4 types. What are the 4 types? Personal values, cultural values, social values, and disciplinary values. Okay, children. So far we are saying all the values. Personal values, cultural values, social values, and disciplinary values. So in this one day you can become a good citizen. So personal value, I said, what are the personal values? Love, mercy, generosity, honesty, truth, friendship, hospitality, peace, tolerance, faith, and so on. So these are the personal values. Cultural value is you have to maintain the irrespective of language and religion, all the people are living together and you have to live together as a brothers and sisters. And so what are the social values? How you can maintain the social values? Maintaining the good relationship with the peoples and respecting the elders, protecting the nature and be tolerant and maintain the friendship. And then disciplinary values. What are the disciplinary values? Punctuality, involvement and treating everyone as an equal and doing your work on time and holding the morals, discharging the duties without fail. These are the disciplinary values. Okay. What are the constitutional values? Safeguard of the public properties, maintain the unity and integrity of the nation, and develop the scientific attitude, and protect the natural resources, care for the environment, honor the national symbols, respect the martyrs and the sacrifices, preserve our cultural values and heritage, and develop patriotism. Then what we should not do means, we should not violate the rules. We should not disobey the rules. If you are red light means stop, green light means go means, while you are traveling we have to follow the rules. And do not spit and dump garbage anywhere. Do not pollute land and water. Do not burn the old objects in streets. Do not break the white pumpkin pushnika on the roads. So these are the do nots you should not do. What are the factors that enrich good values? Eppadi நம்ம good values இன்னும் இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். That is, you have to be literacy, awareness and interest, try hard till success, evaluate oneself, acceptance and self-confidence. And what should be each student should be followed? What are the values? Hygienic values students should be followed is wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, and trim your hair and cut the nails, and wear slippers or shoes, and wash your hands before and after meals. So these are the, each student must follow these habits. Okay. Now you take page number 166. Here they are given the circle, the some of the good values they are given. So punctuality they are already given. Any other words have you seen in this punctuality? And then involvement. See here, involvement is there. Next one, page number 166. So you can find out the second word, involvement. See, involvement. So if the spelling is like this, you can make a circle, involvement. Then, did you find out, children, what is in your book? Involvement and treating everyone as an equal. Okay. So you make a circle in this. What are the good habits? Conduct. Here it is, the conduct is there. Involvement. Conduct. Then enriched, evolved, investigate. Okay. So you find out the words and circle the good habits. All this in your book. And your book, take your book. Man is a social animal. What is that? Man is a social animal. So in page number 166, you make a round, children. Fill in the blanks. Page number 170. Man is a social animal. Man is a social animal. The word civic means, so you can note down the fill in the blanks. Take page number 170. So first fill up is just make a note down social animal. The word civic means, what is the word civic means? The word civic means people, dash of a nation. The word civic means citizen of a nation. Okay. The next one is the aim of the education is to change a person into a valuable human beings. Valuable human beings. Then fourth one, dash is the basic value for the every individual. Okay children, up to this we can complete this. Okay children, you can learn those fill-ups, that is page number 164. So learn page number 164, learn fill-up. Fill in the blanks you learn, and then page number 164 you can learn, and do the work page number 166. Circle the good values. So page number 166. So the moral disciplinary values, and the moral values is King Sibi offered the flesh of his thigh to a starved hawk to save the wounded dove. So King Sibi வந்து ஒரு டவ்வை காப்பாற்றுறதுக்காக, அடிப்பட்ட டவ்வை காப்பாற்றுறதுக்காக அந்த ஹாக் பேர்டுக்கு தன்னோட ஃப்ளெஷ் எடுத்து கொடுத்தாரு அதோடையிலேருந்து. ஸோ இஸ் எ கிங் சிபி, தட்ஸ் அ மாரல். அண்ட் டு கிவ் ஜஸ்டிஸ் டு எ கவ், மனுநீதி சோழன் கில்ட் இஸ் ஓன் சன் அண்டர் த வீல்ஸ் ஆஃப் இஸ் சேரியட். அதாவது மனுநீதி சோழனோட சன் வந்து ஒரு சேரியட்டில் போகும்போது அந்த கண்ணுக்குட்டியை கொண்டுட்டதால தட் மனுநீதி சோழன் ஆல்சோ புட் இஸ் சன் அண்டர் த சேரியட்ஸ் வீல்ஸ் சேரியட் அண்ட் he killed him. King Pari offered his golden chariot to the முல்லையை creeper. King Pari வந்து ஒரு கோல்டன் சேரியட்டே கொடுத்தாராம் ஒரு முல்லை கொடி படறதுக்காக. And King Pagan offered his shawl to a peacock which was shivering in the cold. ஸோ ஒரு பீகாக் வந்து கோல்டில் ஷிவர் ஆகிட்டு, தட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி கோல்ட். ஸோ அதுக்காக தன்னுடைய ஷாலையே அந்த பீகாக்கை கொடுத்தார். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த கிங்ஸ், தே ஆர் குட் moral values, that good habits, they made it for the even the creeper or even the peacock, even a bird, they have done a good. Okay children, thank you. Move through this lesson, page 164 and 166.